Happy Lunar New Year! Today, we're bringing a legend to life on a simple wooden coaster. The dragon is the ultimate symbol of power and good fortune, and I wanted to capture every bit of that energy. Watching the laser reveal these scales is hypnotic. I'm running a classic left-to-right scan here to let the natural char of the wood create those deep, traditional shadows. No shortcuts, just clean lines and a lot of heat. The detail in the festive crowd and the ancient architecture really sets the stage. It's amazing how a piece of wood can transform into a window to a celebration. Every line is a wish for a prosperous year ahead. Here is the final result. The contrast is sharp, and the dragon looks ready to take flight. It's the perfect way to welcome a brand new start. Wishing you all a year filled with health, wealth, and endless creativity. Happy Lunar New Year, everyone!